All right, guys. Hey, we're here at Show Me Birds, America's largest pheasant hunting resort. It is now lunchtime. We are America's largest pheasant hunting resort for a reason. Check out this lunch line, boys. We are the America's largest pheasant hunting resort. It is now lunchtime. Let's go see what the boss man's doing over here. See if he's guarding the lunch line. There's Andrew. Is it lunchtime, boss?
It's lunchtime at Show Me Birds.
Look at all these guys. Let's see what these European guys. You guys got any good grub in here?
McDonald's.
Let's see. What kind of grubs are European? Oh my goodness, look at this. Are you tearing them up?
That's right.
Yeah?
Do you want a little chili or?
There's our little helper. Say hi. Yeah. Lunchtime at the bird farm.